Hey YouTube. Well, first of all, thank you for finding this video and being on the channel. I'm not a very YouTuber person, you know, but I have like a few followers on Instagram, and I asked them if they wanted to hear or see how I'm gonna do a truck bedliner, the spraying bedliner. And a few people said yes, so I think it's a cool video, and I've never done it before, so I'm gonna do it. I have a 2015 Dodge Ram 2500, and actually, like, very exciting news. I just paid it off, so I'm pretty happy about that. That's my truck, and nobody can mess with my truck anymore, you know. So I'm pretty happy about that. So what we're doing today is I need to stop by and pick up a few more things that I need to complete the prep work for the bedliner. All right, so we need the degreaser, the regulator. This is what comes with the kit that I got, and it doesn't have the regulator, so I need to buy the regulator that goes here, and some paper towels. One day I'll get one of these, but now we are here for this. All right, so this is what I need. I make sure it fits. And now we have to get a degreaser, some towels, and probably a measuring cup, because I don't have one in the garage. So I was told I was going to find degreaser here, but I can't see anything. It's just acetone. I already have acetone, so I'm just going to go and use the acetone, I think. We'll see how that goes. And we're on the way back. I can't wait to try the big nylon brush. The small one did a great job, but it was dark, so I couldn't really see, and I really want to see how much faster the big one works. This is also going to mean that I wasted a lot of time with the small one. Alright, so I'm at the garage. I got everything I need. Let me show you my truck and then show you what I have and what you need to do the project. As I said, this is my 2015 Ram 2500. I bought it new, and I'm really liking the truck. And one thing I want to do today is continue sanding scuffing the bed. As you can tell, I already started, and it's actually turning pretty good. So I did this side and then that side, and most of this I didn't do this well. Let's get to what you need to for the preparation part. I have the prep here and the spraying here, so let's start with the prep. So for the prep, all this that you see, the sides and everything, I did with this tiny cup, and it works really good. It just takes a lot of time because it's small. And just so you can see, look how much I used. Like, I don't know if you can tell here, but yeah, so it's about 60% left. Yeah, it's about, I would say, 50% left. And then I saw a video how people are using this one, and this should be much faster and help me do the bottom section much faster. I do know that this is not for grinders, but people say that it's okay, you know, and I don't want to buy another tool just to use this, because these nylon brushes are usually about like 4,000 or 5,000 RPMs per minute. RPMs, and this is like 10, 11, you know, so this is a little too fast for it, but it's fine. Actually, this one, it says here is 10,000, but it's gonna be fine. And then after that, when we're done with that, I'm gonna use acetone to degrease everything. First, I'm gonna use air to blow the dust away, and then I'm gonna use acetone to degrease everything. We're moving on to the kit. I got a 6-bottle kit because people say that with 4 bottles, it's not as thick as the OEM bedliner, so that's why I got 6, and I'm gonna spray 4. I'm gonna spray the sides pretty good, and then I'm gonna focus mainly on the bottom and on the wheel wells, because they get most damage. Alright, that's pretty much what I have. I'm gonna probably time lapse how I'm cleaning everything, and probably tell you guys what I think about the big cup that I bought. Other than that, I'm gonna get to work and tag along. The most annoying part is done. Let me show you. It's all scuffed up. The problem is it's a white paint, and when you're scuffing it, it throws the white paint everywhere. You can see it, so I had to like blow it with a with a air blower and then make sure it's not glossy anymore. And I had to go back over and over and over. I would blow the whole bed and then I'll see a new spot. I'll clean that spot, start blowing again, find a different spot, and like that. It's been for like at least 40 minutes just doing that. But it looks like it's all done now. I'm gonna acetone the whole thing and start taping, and hopefully I'll have enough daylight to start spraying. All right, this is taking way longer than I expected, but I think I'm ready to spray. And honestly speaking, like I'm saving like 400 bucks. It's almost worth it to pay those 400 bucks and not do it yourself. It's such a pain in the ass. This is how it looks. I taped as much as I can, because the more you tape, the less you clean, or you don't have to clean at all, which is what I want, not to clean at all. Now I'm gonna get back to the kit, start spraying, I guess. All right, so it's actually looking pretty awesome. This is just one bottle. I was mainly focusing on the underneath and the sides, because once I spray this, I won't be able to get there. The only way I'll be able to spray is if I from the sides, you know. This is 2 cans, and I covered all of the bed. And now I'm gonna take another one and focus and just cover the whole thing again. And then the 4th one, I'm just gonna cover just the lower part, because that part and the wheel wells, that takes most damage. Looks really good. So I'm pretty much done. I got so excited because it looks so great that I almost peeled all the masking tape without even showing you guys how it peels off, which is pretty satisfying. Like, it's like a bubble wrap. Once you start peeling it off, you can't stop. You just have to want to peel the whole thing, you know? Check it out. So actually peels out pretty like nice and smooth, and leaves a nice cool line. Boom. Awesome. I covered the latches here, and it's super sticky. It like sticks to everything, and the masking tape too. But look at these lines. Pretty cool for 110 bucks, I think. Hey guys, so it's been a week. I went on vacation. I purposefully timed the spray and bed liner project to give it enough time to cure, and I was out for a week, so I didn't have to use my truck or anything. And let's see how it turned out. This is how it looks with the door closed, and I mean, comparing to what it was, it's such a great difference. I'm like super happy about it. And yeah, see for yourself. I'm gonna make a few close-ups. Pretty much, my opinion is, yeah, obviously it's way better than it was. For $115, this is like a 9-day difference, you know. And so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, put the thumbs up, subscribe, let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you want to hear more and you want to see my 30 or any of my other cars. And I'll catch you guys later.